It's your lucky day because we're back with more great Mobility Field Day action. My name is Tom Hollingsworth, and I am the event lead for all things mobility here at Tech Field Day, and I'm very excited to be bringing you an action-packed Mobility Field Day coming up May 15th and 16th, 2024 in Silicon Valley. The world of wireless has been changing a lot as of late, and there's some exciting new technologies that are on the horizon that you are going to want to tune in for. So make sure you have your rabbit's foot and your two-headed coin and be ready to hear some great presentations. We're going to be kicking off on a Wednesday with our friends from Juniper. Now, you've seen them in the news because there's some exciting stuff going on with them, but they're going to be focusing this week on some of their big AI-driven networking platform announcements. They're going to be talking, of course, about Marvis, their little AI assistant that's doing a lot of big things. Some also discussions around location, wired assurance, NAC, wireless technologies, you name it. It's going to be a very full schedule for them. After that, we're going to be hearing from our friends over at Foret. They're, of course, going to be talking about Wi-Fi 7. I'm sure you've heard of it, but you're going to be getting a great update from a wonderful presenter there, as well as some really neat things that they're doing in a lot of other spaces like OT and some other type of wireless adjacent technology. So I'm excited to see what they have in store there. We're going to be closing out Wednesday with our friends over at Salona. Now, you've seen them last year, and you've got a great update from what they've been working on. But 5G LAN is something that they are really excited about, and they're going to be talking all about it. So make sure you tune in to follow along with that presentation. Then Thursday, we're going to kick off with our friends from Arista. They've been making great headway in the wireless space, and they're back to give us an update with what they've been working on. I'm sure there's going to be lots of questions and lots of interaction from our delegates. Then we're going to be hearing from our team over at Cisco. They're going to be talking about wireless assurance for sure, as well as a lot of other things that you're going to want to hear about. And they have some great highly rated presentations from last year at our previous Mobility Field Day. Then after Cisco, we're going to get an introduction to a new company called Eno. And you may have seen some coverage of Eno that I've written up as of late, but you're going to be getting a full presentation from them, one of our introductory sessions where they're going to be going into the technology that they built and the platform that they are going to be offering to users out there. It includes AI-enhanced design, which is something that a lot of companies have been talking about as of late, and Eno is going to be one of the first to tell you all about it. And then we're going to close out with another first-time presenter, Ubiquity. This is a company that has been highly requested by our Mobility Field Day delegates for a number of years. They're going to be showing off their platform, helping people understand how easy it is to deploy and manage access points, and also talking about some new advanced features that they are very excited to be bringing to you. That's 2 full days of wonderful presentations. And we've got some first-time delegates that will be joining us to join in the fun. Folks like Deb Nelamakata, Fernay Munoz, Kevin Franzen, and Ron Westfall, who is a part of the Futurum Group. Now, as you may know, the Futurum Group has acquired Tech Field Day, and they are going to be a huge part of what we're doing going forward. And Ron brings years of industry experience to the table, along with our other great delegates, both the first-time delegates that I mentioned and some of our alumni delegates whose faces you've seen a number of times. If you want to get engaged with what we're doing here, you can jump on social media and connect with us on Twitter or Mastodon. We're Tech Field Day pretty much everywhere. So if you want to follow along in your favorite social media platform of choice, don't forget to use the hashtag MFD11. That's MFD11, whether you're on Twitter, Mastodon, or any of the other platforms out there. That's a great way to get in touch with us so that we're capable of seeing your questions, asking them in the room, and, following along with your commentary, your discussions, your war stories, whatever they happen to be. We want you to feel like you're a part of the action there. You can follow along with the live streaming video by going to our website at techfieldday.com or by joining us over on LinkedIn. Just search for Tech Field Day. All of the live streaming videos will be going up there as soon as we're ready to share it with the world. And you can leave comments, you can follow along. And once you do that, you are part of the community. If you want to catch the recordings, you can find those over on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/techfieldday. That's the home for all recordings from our field day sessions. You can queue up the playlist and follow along for all of our great presentations. You can leave comments over there as well, interact with those videos, or subscribe so you don't miss a moment of the great field day action whenever it is published after the event is over. Like I said, it's your lucky day, but you don't need all those lucky charms. All you got to do is set your calendars the 15th and 16th of May. Tune in, follow along, leave a comment, join the discussion, be a great part of this community. We'll see you at Mobility Field Day.